In this video I am going to show you how to install two hard drives into the front of the case or into the front side of the case. You can install up to 5 hard drives in this case, 3 in the back and 2 in the front. Now I can't actually install 3 in the back because I put the controller for the fans in one of the places where you should put a hard drive. But I am going to quickly show you where they go, and then we're going to show you how to place them into the front or into the front side. So first things first, let's show you the back. So I've got one already installed, and you can install another 2, one being there and one being there. But like I said, I put the fan controller in there, and all you need to do is get one of these. And also I've got the wiring in the way, so I'd have to reroute the wiring, and that would go in there, that part would go into there, and then you just screw it in, which would be up here somewhere. Go in there and screw it in there. This is for holding your hard drive. So your hard drive would screw onto this to make it nice and secure. It would actually go that way, or if you're using an SSD you would go that way. Right, let's get to the front. This is the bit that I wanted to show you in the video, how to install into the front panels or into the front side panel. Normally these fans would be on the other side, but because I've got one here, they had this little bubble top on them, I've had to place them this side. So what that does, it actually stops me putting a full size hard drive in. But I am going to install one just to show you how to do it by removing one of the fans in a bit. So I've already attached a full size one. I've only used 2 screws, one there and one there, just for demonstration purposes. Normally you put 4 in just to make sure it's secure and it doesn't rattle. And then what that would do would just slot into there, and then you would just screw it down or into there. But like I said, this won't fit because it's actually hitting the fans. Unless you're going to use an SSD drive like this little baby here, which will just slot in easily. So it goes in there, down like that, and you just screw it down. Yeah, see, very easy, very secure, very easy to do. And that works the same there or up there. It depends where you want it. I'm going to quickly show you that as well. If you want it up there, that's it, secure. And then you'd run your cables from there to there, down onto the motherboard. Simple, yeah, easy. So now I'm going to show you can actually install a full size hard drive, whether you want it in there or there. I'm going to remove this fan and just place it in there just to show you it can actually fit. Like I said, if you had a normal flat fan or a normal size fan without the little bubble, again the little bubble that sticks out, you could put this fan on the other side and it won't affect the glass or closure of the front cover. But I had to put it further back because of the bump. So give me a second while I dismantle that, and I will show you how to put a full size drive in, or how a full size drive fits. Like I said, I had to move the fan and I placed it on the other side, but like I said, the cover won't fit because of that little bubble sticking out. Full size hard drive goes the other way, goes long ways rather than that way. SSD goes, let me just show you, so SSD goes like that, yeah, and the full size one goes across because it's bigger. And make sure your cables are facing in the right direction, or your cable connections. So full size one should just fit the same. Goes in there, screw that down. That's in place, yeah. Bit more. That's it, that's in place, and then you run your cables to your motherboard. Very easy to do, very simple. So you could get 2 on the front or on the front side and 3 on the back in theory. But like I said, I run my cables down there, and I've also got my fan controller on one of the places where you would put the actual hard drive. But you can, in theory, have up to 5 hard drives. So with that, if you have any comments, please post them below. And if you like this video, consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you any money. It does help the channel keep on going. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Again, it helps the algorithms from YouTube, and it helps to promote this video and this video channel as well. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Didn't give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.